Hello everyone, I'm Sambit Tripathi. I'm a PhD student at Manning School of Business. I'm going to present on the topic analysis of user-generated content in digital platforms. This project is supported by the Donahue Center of Business Ethics and Social Responsibility, and it is co-advised by Professor Xiaobai Lee and Professor Amit from OIS department. This project is about recommender systems. Now, recommender systems are very prevalent in today's digital era. Now, these recommender systems are employed to improve customer loyalty and retention. Now, organizations use how we interact with digital platforms to connect and how we use user-generated content to generate some recommendation. For example, organizations use what we have heard in the past to create a song playlist for us. Organization use retail transactions that we have done to recommend grocery items to us. Organizations you see what social media activity we have liked or posted in the past to give us recommendations of similar posts and activities. Now, these recommender systems can have application across multiple types of businesses. For example, there's movie recommendations. They can be used in marketplaces, it can be used in e-commerce, and it can be also used in groceries. Now, these recommender systems are generally employed in digital platforms like Netflix, Spotify, Instacart, or even Amazon. Recommender systems, current recommender systems usually employ neural network algorithms. Now, these neural network algorithms generate relevant recommendations to users, which we also consume. Now, for example, 35% of users' purchases on Amazon and 75% of streamed content on Netflix are generated by the recommendation systems. Now, these recommendation systems are affecting our lives on a daily basis, but these recommendations, it is very difficult to understand how these recommendations are generated. So, we consider these recommendation systems as black boxes. Now, to get more transparency in decision making across organizations, it is very important to explain such recommendations to end users. Now, my project is about grocery recommender systems, where in grocery recommender systems, we have one key aspect, which is personalization, which means that we have a regularity and some purchase patterns and we are loyal to some brands and grocery. Now, this purchase always happens with an intent. For example, I'm going to grocery store to stock up some necessities, to buy some pet supplies, or to prepare a recipe. Now, this customer's hidden intent can be captured by historical purchase that a user has made. Current recommendation systems, what they suggest is customers who bought milk also bought bananas, milk, and coffee, which are very generic recommendations. But my research objective is to explain, to give a set of recommendations from a black box model. So I will employ any black box model, and from that I will develop an explanation model to interpret the recommendation based on my user's purchase intent. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.